Ever seen a brand launch something new that feels totally different from their main brand? That's a sub brand. And that's exactly what we are covering today. But before we get into that, let's clear up what branding actually is. And no, it's not just a pretty logo.
Before we dive deep into what branding is, let's talk about what is a brand. A brand is a feeling. Because it exists in consumers' mind, it's not a real entity. It's an ethereal concept. And when enough people feel the same way about your products or services, you have a brand. Otherwise, it's just a commodity or a service that you are selling. Since brand is a feeling, it can be done through messaging. So what you say, how you say it, aesthetics, the look and feel, and the actual experience. So once the customer lands on the website, your social media, the unboxing experience, talking to your customer support, all these different elements build or convey a certain sort of a feeling. Branding is the act of managing those feelings.
तुम रोको मत, मैं बस ऐसे ही आएगा मेरा. Whenever a brand or a organization wants to launch a new range of products or services or something that is very different from what they have been doing, and it's different in terms of the tonality, the messaging, and how this new range of product needs to communicate with the end users, then generally a sub brand is created so that the original brand's tonality and the messaging and the visual look and feel isn't diluted. A relevant example is Nexa. So Maruti Suzuki has been relevant in the market since so many years, and they came out with Nexa just because it was targeting a very different set of audience. They wanted to create a premium brand for the cars which people didn't resonate Maruti Suzuki with, because that was a more affordable brand for everyday audience. So that's in essence what a sub brand is. You don't want to dilute the original brand. You want a very focused, a hyper focused new brand. So you create a sub brand that is a little different.
Hope this helped clear up the basics of what branding and a sub brand really are. This was just a quick gist. If you want the full behind the scene version of how we actually apply all of this while building real brands, you should definitely check out our Building a Brand series. Season 2 is coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe. We are Simple Plan Media.